I'm playing. Don't press the button. 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 It's so easier to stay here, cause the tsunami. Wait, I don't think the tsunami. The flood can get you. Whoa! Oh my gosh, where was that? I didn't see that. Parent. What the heck? That was cool. Wait, why am I glitching? Oh, it's a house. Go in there. What the heck? Oh, I think you're supposed to tap it. Tap, tappy. Tap, tap, tap. Why is it not working? I want to go in. Nope, too late. Oh, it's a race. Don't cheat. Someone cheated. Someone cheated. Hey, noob. That noob win. I survived. Whoa, it's car again. Noobs. I don't see that thing, like the noob got fall down, like the one with the lawnmower. I forgot what was it. A chainsaw. Run, run. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I can't. I need to hold it because I can't hold it when the flood games. Wait, what I'm doing? Oh, I died. I died. See it, my head got popped.